So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So in today's video I've shown you how I do my brows like this, so in a really natural way, and it's a really good product which I've used it. It looks really good and it makes your brows look really bushy and really thick. So this is how it looks, my brows now. So I've done it really easily and it's really easy to do it. I hope you guys will find it really easy to do, and if you do it, don't forget to share a pic with it. And let's get started. What are we waiting for? And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. So let's get started. So over here I'm gonna use the Pack Cosmetics brow definer. I really love this one, and I'm just gonna use the angular brush. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this brown shade and this black. So I'm gonna show you how I do my brows. So let me take it closer. Yeah. So this is how my brows look. It's not done, so I'm gonna fill it like this, and this will be like this. So I'm gonna take a little boxy type. So I'm gonna mix these two colors over here. Firstly, I'm gonna take the brown shade because over here it's a little bit light. So I'm just gonna take like this and fill up. See, it's almost done. Then I'm gonna take the black and brown both, and I'm gonna mix them both and dust off the excess. Then I'm gonna do it over here. Can you see the difference? And if you want, you can just create a rectangle over here, a box type, if you love boxy brows like me. But I'm just gonna do a little bit, not much, so that it looks really natural. Again, I'm gonna take the brown shade. Can you see? It looks more better than this. So this is how I do my brows. I'll do this other one also. So first I'm gonna take a lighter shade, the brown shade on the brush. Like this. Then I'm gonna mix both the shades. Over here, then I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna do strokes because my hair is like this. Over here it was in a curved position, so here I'm gonna do strokes. Not much, tiny. I'm gonna do the strokes with the brown color, not the black. So this is how it looks. So I'm gonna take more brown and black of it, mix the both. Apply over here. So I'm gonna make my arc. So yeah, this is how my brow look. It just frames the whole face and it looks really good. So it's not looking really unnatural, and it's looking really pretty, like similar to each other, and it looks really well. So I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, so give a big thumbs up and comment in the comment section and tell me what all do you want to see more, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're never missed. And I've recently done a video of my perfect base, so you can go and watch that too. So I love you guys. Bye.